Few things are more frustrating than opening your electricity bill after a heat wave and wondering if your air conditioner is secretly working against you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 ACs that use minimum units per hour, helping you stay cool without watching your hard-earned money disappear. If any of these catch your attention, you'll find all the links waiting in the description below. Let's jump in. Now let's move to number 5. We have the Temprium Mini Split Air Conditioner, an energy-efficient cooling solution designed for homeowners who want maximum comfort without watching their electricity bills climb every month. Built around an impressive 22 SEER2 efficiency platform, this ductless system is engineered to deliver powerful cooling while consuming less energy than many traditional alternatives. Its advanced DC inverter technology continuously adjusts output based on cooling demand instead of constantly cycling on and off, helping maintain stable temperatures while reducing power consumption. Suitable for spaces up to 750 square feet, it quietly fills bedrooms, living rooms, and family spaces with cool air while operating at just 23 decibels. Smartphone scheduling, self-cleaning coils, and intelligent performance management make daily operation remarkably convenient. Although professional installation and proper line balancing require some planning before setup, the long-term efficiency, comfort, and lower utility costs make the Temprium Mini Split Air Conditioner a strong choice for families focused on energy savings. Coming up next at number 4 is the TCL Smart Window Air Conditioner, a compact and affordable cooling solution built for people who want effective temperature control without excessive energy consumption. Designed with intelligent eco and sleep modes, this unit actively minimizes unnecessary power usage while maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the day and night. It efficiently cools rooms up to 350 square feet while also providing air circulation and dehumidification, giving users multiple climate control functions in a single package. One of its biggest advantages is convenience, allowing remote adjustments through smart controls and voice assistant compatibility. Unlike larger mini-split systems that often require more involved installation, the TCL offers a straightforward setup that appeals especially to renters and apartment residents. Properly sealing the side panels during installation is important for maximizing efficiency, but once installed, the unit delivers reliable cooling performance and excellent value for anyone seeking an energy-conscious way to stay comfortable during hot weather. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the DELLA Motto Series Mini Split Air Conditioner, a system specifically designed to provide powerful cooling while helping homeowners reduce electricity consumption during the hottest months of the year. Equipped with advanced DC inverter technology, it can deliver up to 30% energy savings by intelligently adjusting performance based on actual cooling needs instead of running at maximum capacity continuously. A standout feature is its smart remote-based temperature sensor, which measures conditions where occupants are actually sitting rather than relying solely on readings near the indoor unit, creating a more consistent and comfortable environment across areas up to 1,000 square feet. Despite its impressive coverage, the system operates at a quiet 29 decibels, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. The 4D directional louvers help distribute air evenly throughout large spaces, and while professional installation with proper line set vacuuming is required, the long-term comfort and energy efficiency make the DELLA Motto series an excellent investment. Breaking into the top 2, the LG Smart Window Air Conditioner takes the number 2 position thanks to its outstanding combination of cooling performance, energy efficiency, and smart technology. At the heart of the system is LG's advanced dual inverter compressor, which helps reduce energy consumption by up to 35% compared to baseline federal standards while maintaining more consistent temperatures and avoiding the energy waste associated with frequent starts and stops. The result is faster cooling, lower operating costs, and quieter performance, with noise levels reaching as low as 44 decibels. Designed to cool spaces up to 800 square feet, it performs exceptionally well in larger rooms where smaller window units often struggle. Smart app controls and voice assistant compatibility make adjusting settings convenient from anywhere in the room, adding another level of user-friendly functionality. Although installation can be slightly more demanding due to its heavier construction, the impressive energy savings and reliable cooling performance make the LG Smart Window air conditioner one of the strongest contenders on today's list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Cooper & Hunter Mini Split Air Conditioner, a highly efficient system built for homeowners who want long-term energy savings without compromising comfort. Powered by a 19.2 SEER 2 inverter platform, this unit continuously adjusts its output to match real-world cooling demands, reducing wasted energy while maintaining stable indoor temperatures throughout the day. Unlike many conventional systems that rely on aggressive cooling cycles, the Cooper & Hunter focuses on efficiency and consistency, making it particularly effective during extreme weather conditions and seasonal temperature changes. Its sleek wall-mounted design helps preserve room aesthetics, while smartphone connectivity allows convenient scheduling and remote management. The system is designed to provide reliable cooling performance across larger living spaces while keeping electricity usage under control. Although professional HVAC installation is necessary and setup requires some planning, the durability, advanced inverter technology, and long-term reduction in utility costs make the Cooper & Hunter Mini Split Air Conditioner a worthy choice for the top position. After comparing all 5 air conditioners based on energy efficiency, cooling capability, smart features, overall value, and long-term operating costs, one model managed to stand above the rest. The winner is the LG Smart Window air conditioner. What makes this unit so impressive is its ability to combine powerful cooling with exceptional energy savings through its advanced dual inverter compressor technology. While many air conditioners either prioritize performance or efficiency, the LG successfully delivers both. It cools larger rooms quickly, maintains more stable temperatures, operates quietly, and significantly reduces power consumption compared to many conventional window units. The addition of smart controls and voice assistant compatibility further enhances the overall user experience, making it one of the most convenient systems on today's list. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 ACs that use minimum units per hour. If any of these models seem like the right fit for your home, you'll find all the product links waiting in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best air conditioner isn't just the one that cools your room, it's the one that keeps your energy bills under control while doing it.